Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this diamond stitch. This is the back and the front. So let's start. For this pattern you need to start with multiple of 4. So here I've got my 20 chains. So slip knot and do a multiple of 4. And now I'm gonna work 1 single crochet into each, starting from the second chain from hook. So this is the first one into the second one, and I'm going to use the back loop of the chains. So when you turn the chain, there is this small bump. This is where I'm going to work. So starting from the second one, single crochet into each, so I've got my 19 single crochet, and now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn the work. And I'm going to skip the first stitch because the chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Now I'm going to work 1 double crochet starting from the second one. So yarn over, insert into the second stitch, and do 1 double crochet into each. And now for the next round, round number 3, chain 1, turn the work, and the chain 1 doesn't count. I'm going to place 1 single crochet into the first stitch like this, and now I'm going to work into the single crochet round. So 2 round below, 1, 2, into that row you need to count for the 4th single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I'm going to work into the front of that, into the post of that single crochet. So it's going to be a front post single crochet. So yarn over twice, count 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 4th, insert from the front, go behind, and like this, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, and you should have 4 loops into the hook. Go through the first 2, go through the first 2, and these last 2. So this is a front post triple crochet, and now I'm going to skip the stitch behind this triple crochet. So when you look back, you will see this stitch. This is, you need to skip that and go into the next one and work a single crochet. So, and then work another single crochet into the next, and another one into the next. So total of 3 single crochet. So after you skipped 1, so you can see, once you have your 3 single crochet here, now I'm going to work again triple crochet, but this time I'm going to do 2 triple crochet together. So the 2 stitches that I'm going to work is going to be, first one is going to be this same single crochet where you work the first triple crochet, so this one, and the next one is going to be skip the next 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th one here. So from that, the one that you work, you need to count 4, and into that one you're going to insert. So first yarn over twice and insert from the front like this into the last single crochet that you work the triple crochet in. And I'm going to work now going through first 2 loops and then going to the first 2 loops, and keep these 2 into the hook. And now again, looking down, I'm going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th one, yarn over twice, insert going from the front like this, and pull up a loop. Now I'm going to go through the first 2 loops, then the first 2, and the last 3 like this. So you can see the V now. And now looking back, I'm going to skip 1 stitch, so the one behind the 2 together, and I'm going to go into the next. So always keep that one behind and go into the next and work the 3 single crochet, 1, then into the next 2, and into the next 3. And this is the repeat pattern for this round. So you're going to do 2 triple crochet together, going first through the same as the last triple crochet, so this one, and then skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and go into the 4th single crochet and work there. So yarn over twice, go into the last one, so this one, and go through first loop, go through first loop, keep 2 loops into the hook, then yarn over twice and skip 1, 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th, insert and pull up a loop. So go through first 2 loops, go through first 2 loops, and go through all 3. Now looking back, skip 1 stitch, go into the next and single crochet 3, 1, 2, and 3. So you can see the V's now. When you're left with 2 stitches, this is where I'm going to finish the round now. So I've got the 3 single crochet after this V, and now I'm going to do 1 triple crochet into the last one, so the last single crochet where you work the triple crochet. So I'm going to insert there and do the triple crochet like this, and skip 1, go into the last one, which is the chain 3, insert into the chain 3 and do the last single crochet. Yep. And single crochet. So the round is finished now. For the next round is going to be a round of double crochets. So chain 3 counts as a stitch, so I'm going to skip the first one, go into the second one and work my double crochet into each. So you just need to do double crochet into each, starting from the second one. Oops, I'm doing triple, but it should be double crochet. So double crochet each. Now for the next round, chain 1, turn the work, and I'm going to place 1 single crochet into the first 3. So the chain 1 doesn't count, so I'm going to start from the first stitch. So 1, 2, and 3. And now I'm going to work into the last single crochet round, so 2 round below this one, and I'm going to work 2 triple crochet together, going through this and this one. So yarn over twice, go front of the stitch like this and go around where you worked the triple crochet, so this, and pull up a loop, go through the first 2 loop, go through first 2 loop, you should have 2 loops into the hook, and now yarn over twice and go into the next triple crochet, so this one, these 2 in here. So I'm going to insert and pull up a loop. Let me do it again, and go through first 2, go through the second and the last 3. So this is the 2 together, so you now can see 1 complete. And now skip the stitch behind these 2 together, so this one, and go into the next and do the single crochet, 1, the next one, 2, the next 3. And now again, after the 3 single crochet, you should be here doing 2 triple crochet again together, going through the last one, this one, and then going into the next, this one. So these 2 bits you're gonna work and do 2 triple crochet together. So yarn over twice and go there, and again skip the stitch behind, go into the next and do 3 single crochet, and this is how it looks, and this is the repeat for this pattern. After the last 2 triple crochet together, you can see you have now 3 stitches and this chain 3. So you're going to skip one, the one behind the triple crochet 2 together, and then I'm going to do single crochet next, one into the next, and one into the chain 3. So you should have 3 single crochet at the end. So you started with 3, you ended with 3. After this round, now it's going to be just a repeat. So I'm going to do now a double crochet round. So chain 3, turn work, and do 1 double crochet into each, and then after the double crochet round you're going to repeat this round here of the V. So you're going to start with 1 triple crochet, and then you're going to do 2 together, 2 together, and then just repeat these patterns. So that's it.